Welcome to Pramu Craft Studio, where elegance meets handmade beauty. Today, we create a stunning crystal beaded bag, crafted with precision, step by step. Stay till the end and bring luxury to life. Let's start with the materials you'll need: crystal beads, nylon thread, needle, and a chain handle. First, we create the base of the bag by connecting the beads step by step. Now we begin building the sides of the bag. Step by step, continue the same crystal bead pattern with patience and care. Each bead you place is important, because this is where the structure starts to take its real shape. Work slowly and focus on alignment, keeping every layer even and balanced. This will give your bag a clean and professional luxury finish. As you continue, you'll notice the sides gradually rising, forming a beautiful frame that brings the design to life. Don't rush this process. Handmade beauty is all about precision, patience, and detail. With every row you complete, the bag becomes stronger, more structured, and more elegant, turning simple beads into a premium handmade creation. Now we move into the shaping process. Gently guide the structure of the bag into its final form, adjusting each side with care so the shape becomes smooth, balanced, and elegant. This is the moment where your creation starts to feel like a real luxury handbag. Not just beads, but a complete design coming together. Take your time to refine the edges. Make sure the form is even and naturally curved. Small adjustments here will make a big difference in the final look. Now, we carefully attach the handle, securing it firmly so it blends perfectly with the crystal design. As the handle connects, the bag transforms completely, becoming a finished handmade piece of elegance and style. This step brings everything together, shaping your creation into a beautiful, wearable luxury crystal bag. Now we move into one of the most important finishing steps. Carefully measure the inside of the bag to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and balanced. Precision here will define the overall professional quality of your final piece. Take your time to check every corner and edge, making sure the shape holds its structure evenly. Now, gently prepare the inner lining, selecting a soft material that complements the luxury feel of the crystal design. Slowly place the lining inside the bag, adjusting it carefully so it fits smoothly without any folds or gaps. This step adds strength, protection, and a clean finished look to your handmade creation. With the lining in place, your bag now feels complete from the inside out, polished, refined, and truly professional. Now we move to the final assembly. Carefully attach the hooks, making sure they are secure and perfectly aligned with the structure of the bag. This small step is very important, as it ensures strength and durability for everyday use. Now fix the chain gently, connecting it smoothly to complete the design. Watch as everything comes together, turning your crystal creation into a fully finished luxury handbag. Here is the final look. A premium cream tone crystal beaded bag, carefully handcrafted with patience and detail. Every bead reflects elegance, and every stitch shows the effort behind this design. The soft cream color gives it a luxury and timeless feel, perfect for any occasion. This is more than just a handmade bag. It is a piece of art, created with love and precision. Simple, elegant, and beautifully finished. This is your final result. A beautiful handmade crystal beaded bag, elegant, stylish, and truly unique in every detail. I hope you enjoyed creating this with me and loved the luxury finish of this design. If you like this bag, I would love to hear your thoughts. Tell me in the comments what you think about this design and what color you want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Try it yourself, and thank you so much for watching.